Hello traders, Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Automatically on daily basis you will receive calls in this chart. For example, today November 2 at 10:45 am a sell call generated. So red color candle open, sell at 41,458 is the entry point. Candle open point is the entry point. Below red color lines are target line, target 1 and 2. Above line is the stop loss line to control the loss. Daily basis automatically you will receive calls in this chart. Whenever a breakout happen according to the candlestick, you will receive call immediately in live market. On daily basis you are just going to watch the chart and get the calls and trade according to the calls that generated in the chart. Today sell call generated at 41,458. The first target range is 41,354. That is more than 100 point. So let's wait and see how it moves in live market. After 2 hours of the market movement, market finally able to break out the first target range. Today market was very slow movement. As you can see in the chart, during first 1 hour of the sell call generated, it traded at the entry point range only. After at 12 pm only, market started to move little bit, but after 12:50 only, it can able to reach the first target range. Coming week expiry, 41,300 put option, a out of the money option chart we are watching. Due to sell call generator, we are showing it in put option. In this put option at 255 range, the buy call generated and market currently trading above 300 range. It move all the way up to the 320 range. You can directly watch in option chart also. And in this chart, you can do auto trading also. If you want, you prefer for manual trading, you can do manual trading or auto trading. To know more about our subscription detail, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe this chart. Thank you.